Yeah, what's going on YouTube? So, I'm finally gonna wheel swap this super awesome Mazda 78 right there. Been waiting months to do this, man. It's gonna look amazing. I love this race car, man. So sick. Just not feeling the rims on it. Ooh, this is gonna be a fun one. Alright, let's do this. Let's get it out of this plastic. Alright, come on. Voila, there it is. Bam. Let's get a close-up on this bad boy. Man, I've always loved this car. It's just so sick. Nice classic race car by Mazda. It's just so cool. Alright, let's get this bad boy swapped. Stay tuned. Alright, let's drill this bad boy. Alright, got the Mazda taken apart. There you go. There's a cool frame right there. Super awesome. Goodyear, sponsored by Goodyear. One little glass piece right there. Cockpit. Cool. There's the interior there. Wait a second. Oh, the seat is built right there. One spot for one person right there. One seater. It's the first time I've ever seen a seat built onto the base here. It's usually on this piece. What's this, roll cage? Or I don't know, safety stuff. Where's the engine? Is the engine supposed to be back there? They cheaped out and didn't make an engine. What the heck? Alright, but I really don't know what they were thinking when they did this. Look at this. Two different wheels on the car. What's wrong with you people at Mattel Creations, man? Whose idea was this? It's why couldn't you just put 4 gold ones on there? Why would you put that on there? Must have said, hey Bob, man, you think we should put those Frisbee disc wheels on the front, save 50 cents on each car? No, save 10 cents? Bob's like, okay, do it. That was a horrible idea. They just don't care, man. Like, do you think we want a casting that has 2 different wheels, especially a Frisbee wheel? Frisbees are for dogs, man. Come on. Alright, here's the first wheel choice right here. Check it out. Look at that. Awesome, eh? These wheels just suit this car very well. It's like an old style deep dish, yellow sporty deep dish wheels. That's why I went with these rim choice here. It just suits the car. Old school race car. They usually had these wheels back in the day. Pretty sick though, eh? A lot nicer than those right there. Whatever Bob's choice at Mattel was. Get out of here with that. Check it out. They should have made a premium in this that looked just like this. Oh man, that would be sick. Sick. Awesome. Smooth too. Sweet. Like a law. Alright, let's try another pair. Stay tuned. Alright, rim choice number 2. Check it out. Well, bam. Look at that. Went with the blue deep dish with the chrome lip. Look at that. Awesome. Blue on blue. Looks sick. And it really goes with this old school sports car, race car. Awesome. I like these, but the yellow stood out more though. Check it out. Very nice. Man, I love this casting. It's just so sick. Whew. I'm pretty sure this casting had a rotary engine in it. Correct me if I'm wrong. Had the 4-rotor. Is this had the 4-rotor in it? No turbo. Just amazing engine sounds from this car. I'm pretty sure. I gotta look it up. I'm pretty sure it had a 4-rotor in there. Sweet. Man, it's so beautiful. Check it out. Close up. Look at that. Sweet. Beautiful Mazda race car. Alright, let's go to rim choice number 3. Alright. Check out rim choice number 3. Bam. All black. Wow, that's nice. That is sweet. That is sick. I think black wheels work good with any color. Definitely looks good on this one. Sick. Close up. Check it out. Looks really nice. Plain and simple. Looks great. Sweet. All right, just one more set of wheels. Stay tuned. Check out this baby blue. It looks all right. Not too bad. Baby blue. Sick. Baby blue deep dish wheels. Sick. Check it out. I don't know. Some people will be a fan of this. Not me though. Alright. Check it out. I've never seen it before in person, but not too bad. Alright, this is my personal favorite. That's why I saved it for last. Check it out. Ba-bam. Look at that. Woo! This is my favorite. I already visualized this. Like, I didn't swap it yet, but I already knew these baller wheels look amazing on this Mazda. Sweet. Look at that, guys. Man, chrome and gold is like the best choice, man. Sick. Check it out. Man, the dish on this car, I mean, the dish on these rims are just crazy, man. Amazing. They're on that 242 right there. Check it out. Okay, let me grab this. It looks good on the 240 and it looks good on a damn race car. Look at that. Sweet. Look at that, guys. And back out. Check it out. Look at that. Woo! That's crazy. Looks good on a street car and it looks good on a damn race car. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh, sweet. Damn. Alright. You had your shine already, buddy. Stay over there. Check this out. Sick. This is my personal choice, guys. The others were okay, but this is like amazing. It's just crazy. Looks so awesome. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed that. Tell me which wheels you like the most. Thanks for watching. Peace out.